Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we are discussing property ownership of a Thai corporation that someone may be working for. Now, I could see this occurring in two different contexts. This is where perhaps a Thai company owns the place where an actual employee may reside, and we see this a fair bit actually, as it happens a lot in folks with so-called expat packages who are working in Thailand for a major corporation. That corporation may actually own, a condo or multiple condos, and one of the benefits of working in that corporation is being able to stay in this condo sort of rent-free. I've seen a number of situations like that in the past. Yeah, that's certainly possible, but more to the point for this video, we're kind of more thinking about it from the standpoint of an SME company where the foreign national is the primary operator, if you will, within the company. And the short answer, under an amity setup, this is under the U.S.-Thai Treaty of Amity, under which allows Americans to own their companies virtually 100%, probably unlikely in that set of circumstances because the amity company is specifically barred from owning land. So if it's going to be real estate, like home ownership, like a house, an amity company isn't going to be very useful for that. It's a little bit of a gray area, although I think it's pretty clear that an amity company, I think, could go ahead and own a condo, although you'd have to deal with all the rules and regulations regarding foreign shenote, foreign freehold title. And really anybody that wants to get into that, that's a good idea to go ahead and contact a legal professional to get some insight into that. A Thai company, which is 51% or more Thai owned, is not subject to the restrictions of the Foreign Business Act. In theory, it could own the home of a person that was working in the company. Now, you need to be careful with this because the Foreign Business Act and there are other rules in Thailand regarding home ownership or real estate ownership of foreign nationals. So while it may be possible, depending on the specific facts of a given case, really good idea to contact a legal professional, get some insight and guidance into how best to set up the formalities of that, because you don't want to get on the wrong side of the rules against foreign land ownership and end up in a situation where you could actually end up like losing the land or being deemed to be operating illegally here in the Kingdom of Thailand.